Okay, so you may be asked on the exam paper to solve a quadratic equation through completing the square. One important thing is to look at the x squared and the coefficient of x, because that is the part where you're going to complete the square. Okay, so as the previous video, which I showed you, x half of the coefficient, which is 5, goes in your bracket, squared, minus the square of 5, which is 25, and also don't forget our plus 7 equals 0. Okay, let's just simplify this. So we've got x plus 5 squared, minus 25 plus 7 is minus 18 equals 0. Now, this is a part that people find a little bit tricky. Okay, we need that 18 over on the other side of the equation. Okay, so at this stage, we've got x plus 5 squared equals 18. So we want to try and get x on its own. So if we square root both sides of the equation, x plus 5 squared, the square root of that is just x plus 5. The square root of 18, we can just write as that. Now, you might get this on a non-calculator paper, so I'm just going to use surds for now. So what we've got x plus 5 equals root 18. Now, root 18 simplifies. Square factors of root 18, we've got 9. So we can rewrite root 9, root 2 as 3 root 2. Okay, so we're nearly there. X is going to have two solutions because this is going to be plus or minus square root of 18, I should have said earlier. Because the square root of 18 has two solutions. So x is going to have two answers. So we need to bring this 5 over to the other side, which becomes minus 5 plus 3 root 2, and also minus 5 minus 3 root 2. Okay, the two solutions come from the fact that the square root of 18 has two answers. There's a negative root 18 and there's a positive root 18 as well. Okay, so just to kind of recap, we started by completing the square of x squared plus 10x, and then we simplified the equation here. So minus 25 plus 7 is minus 18. Then we square rooted both sides of the equation to get x plus 5 equals root 18, positive and negative root 18, and then we've simplified the surd here. So root 18 becomes root 9 times 2. Root 9 is 3, plus or minus 3, and then we brought 5 over to the other